lahat, magandang gabi. It's another Learn Tagalog video, and let's continue with verb conjugation, and tonight, let's have the verbs. Let's start. First one, kain. Kain. Eat. Now, let's have the future tense. Forming the future tense of an verb is easy. Take the first syllable plus the root word. Kain. Kain. Kakain. Example, kakain ako ng mangga mamaya. Kakain ako ng mangga mamaya. Now, to form the present tense, let's take the future tense, kakain. And let's focus on the first syllable, ka. So, kain. And let's focus on the first syllable, ka. Separate letter K, which is a consonant, from letter A, which is a vowel. Now you have a space between them, and that's where you're going to put the infix, Now you have the present tense, kUMakain. kUMakain. Example, kumakain si Jake ng almusal, or kumakain si Jake ng breakfast. Kumakain si Jake ng almusal. Kumakain si Jake ng breakfast. Kumakain si Jake ng almusal. Let's do the past tense. Let's focus on the root verb, kain. Kain. Just like with the present tense, separate letter K, which is a consonant, and letter A, which is a vowel. Now you have a space between them, and that's where you're going to put infix Now you have the past tense, kUMain. kUMain. Halimbawa, kumain si Jake ng almusal. Kumain si Jake ng breakfast. Kumain si Jake ng almusal. That's our first one, kain. Kakain, kumakain, kumain. And for our second root verb, let's have hingi. Hingi. And again, to form the future tense, let's repeat the first syllable of the root. So, we have hihingi. Hihingi. Hihingi si Ana ng tulong sa nanay niya. Hihingi si Ana ng tulong sa nanay niya. Now, let's form the present tense. Let's take the future tense, hihingi, and let's focus on the first syllable, hi. Again, separate the first letter, which is a consonant, letter H. So you have a space now between letter H and letter I, and that's where we're going to put the infix So for our present tense, we have humihingi. Humihingi. Humihingi si Ana ng tulong sa nanay niya. Humihingi si Ana ng tulong sa nanay niya. For the past tense, let's take the root, hingi, and separate the consonant letter H and letter I, which is a vowel, and then put the infix So for our past tense, we have humingi. 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 Humingi si Ana ng tulong sa nanay niya. Humingi si Ana ng tulong sa nanay niya. Let's review the tenses of verbs for our root, hingi. Future tense, hihingi. Present, humihingi. And past tense, humingi. And for our last one, third one, let's have something that starts with a vowel. So let's have aalis. Aalis. To form the future tense, repeat the first syllable of the root. So we have aalis. Aalis. Example, halimbawa, aalis ang bus bukas ng umaga. Aalis ang bus bukas ng umaga. The bus is going to leave tomorrow morning. Aalis ang bus bukas ng umaga. And for the present tense, if it starts in a vowel, the becomes a prefix. Plus the future tense. So, we have plus the future tense, aalis. We have umaalis. Umaalis. Halimbawa, we should be there at the bus station before 7 in the morning kasi umaalis ang bus alas 7 ng umaga. For the past tense, if it starts in a vowel, becomes a prefix plus the root verb. So for the past tense, we have umalis. Umalis. Example, halimbawa, umalis ang bus alas 7 ng umaga. The bus left 7 in the morning. The bus left 7 o'clock in the morning. Umalis ang bus alas 7 ng umaga. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. On the next video, let's have the in verbs. Paalam! Hanggang sa muli!